Excuse me. Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today's video I'll be doing a decorate with me / room makeover because, wow, I think this vlog is gonna be a bit chaotic because I'm gonna do everything on my own because I'm a strong, independent woman. Yes! Before doing my room tour, I thought of doing this video first. So yeah, that's about it. What else am I gonna say? So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So I have my desk here right over at the side, and there's this plain white boring wall that I want to transform into a photo wall. Okay, so for my photo wall, I'm gonna print some photos using my Fujifilm Instax Share SP3 printer. I'm just gonna take a bunch of films over here. So I'm just gonna select a photo from my camera roll. And I'm just gonna stick all these photos here on the wall.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road.
Ta-da! All done. Alright, so we are now here at this part of the room. My bed is right over there. Yeah, the one right there. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing a bit of carpentry work. I have some hooks right here and a hammer. And I'll be trying to hang. Oh, that's itchy. And I'll be hanging some stuff in here because it all kind of seems empty. This is gonna be my bedside lamp. It's just like a light bulb. And I'll also hang some fake plants. Can you guys see me? No? Okay. Yeah, I guess this works. Oh, shucks. It's not working. Oh, I made it! I made it! By the way, this one for my hanging plant is from from Notting L. This one is actually handmade along with my pillows right over here. She's so good. Like, look at this one, it's handmade. And I'll be linking her shop down below if you guys are interested. And this one naman is from Banggood. I'll be doing like a quick haul for you guys because I got some stuff from Banggood. This is actually a white lamp. I just spray painted it. And also this one, it actually lights up. Wait. And yes, it's a neon light sign that says on air. They also gave me this shelf, this little shelf, and this one. This is a portable stereo speaker. It has like an alarm clock. Although I got the wrong color because I was supposed to get this one, but I got this, so I might sell this one instead. Oh, and some of you guys are asking me where do I get ideas when it comes to interior design, and aside from social media accounts, I think it is also very timely to share this because I do use Skillshare, which is basically a website wherein you could take classes about anything you want to learn, honestly. It's like you're enrolling in a certain class or a workshop perhaps for a way cheaper price. But it's not only about interior design, it could be about photo editing, video editing, photography, and many more. I'll be linking down below yung mga classes na tinitake ko and some classes that I highly recommend. So if you're interested, by the way, you guys could get 2 months free subscription of Skillshare Premium by signing up via my link down below in the description box, so you guys could try it for yourself. Welcome to my filming area. Well, this is basically where I shoot or film most of my videos, like hauls. Hauls. Oh my gosh, I just realized puro pala ako hauls. Okay, so we're not starting off with a blank space. Blank space, baby. Clean slate. Because I already have a mirror over here, a neon sign as well, an accent chair, and also a fig tree. The purpose why I put this mirror over here is to make the space look more bigger. I'm also gonna have a lamp, but I'm not yet sure where I'll put it. So I'm just gonna decide later on. So let's assemble some furniture. Oh my goodness, I'm already sweating. Alright, let's assemble. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the table that I'll be putting over here. So it's gonna be this one. I just used the screwdriver because I don't have a color with me. Since I'm more inclined to fashion videos, I'm also gonna put this clothing rack on the side to make the area seem or look more balanced. I also plan to put this side table that I have that is similar to the one that I have in my bedroom. Now it's finally time to set up my lamp, and guys, this is so heavy. Like, this weighs 25 kilos. Oh my gosh, I did it. Unboxing.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana paint.
I gave up. I can't assemble it on my own. Honestly, it's super hard to assemble. But anyway, we're just gonna continue with this area.
Met this girl down by the vine. Had long tan legs and big brown eyes. Seemed the type I would wanna make mine. She said, I can tell you're not my type. You're Mr. Wrong, I'm Mrs. Right. This could never be what you wanna be tonight. She said, don't you worry, don't you fray. I got 24 ounces of Bombay. Can we work it out? You don't have to be alone. She said 9 to 5 I'm killing time, but 24/7 365 might have to be where I feel your sunshine. 1 to 2 step, 3 step 4. She's everywhere out on the dance floor.
I'm gonna build this chair that I ordered online, and finally I can build this one because I've been putting off making this video for so long, and I don't really have a chair for my desk. That's why I was kind of unproductive. Oh, it's already pre-built. I was seriously so unproductive kasi lagi akong nag-edit sa higaan. And when I edit sa bed, I end up falling asleep. And tada! There's no video for the week. That's kind of the truth why I was inactive for a moment. It's all because of my chair. So, yay! It's done! I can finally be productive now. Alright guys, so it's finally time to paint. And I'm gonna paint this one gold because I couldn't find any gold lamp. So a hack that I can give for you guys, if you couldn't find it at a mall or it's too expensive for you, you could just DIY it. I hope this turns out nice though. So I'm gonna spray paint this into gold and this one into white. You know it's a serious business when a girl ties her hair up. Oh my goodness, I forgot. May allergy pala ako sa smell ng paint. So in case I die, you guys know the reason why. I don't have a paintbrush, so I'm just gonna use this makeup brush that I don't use anymore. So, ooh, this is sticky. I hope I don't ruin this. It's actually a really nice lamp already, but I really want it to be gold. I expected it to be this gold, but it turned out to be like this. But it still looks pretty though. I'm also gonna spray paint this because for some reason, the nice ones are so expensive. That's why I'm gonna spray paint it. Guys, it looks so pretty. Can you imagine that this is only for 49 pesos? You can get something like this at H&M for more or less 1,000 pesos. So imagine how much money I saved. So it's finally time to laundry my sheets, my comforter, and everything else. So let's go.
Oh, it might take some time to right your wrong. The ink won't dry until we draw. So let's go out and find where we belong. When you courage, it's worth it all to trip over the lines we saw. I'll be there to get you when you fall.
So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please do watch out for my room tour because that's gonna be the next video after this. So bye.